Okay, we're gonna do day 9 of the advent calendar. I don't think I've started today's vlog, but it's day 23, I think. Yes, it's day 23 of Vlogmas, and this is day 9 of the advent calendar. We're gonna open today's Sonny Angel. I bet it'll be, I know he's gonna hit me with his tail. An animal. What do you guys think? Okay, no one cares. Let's see. Oh, it's a starfish. What do you think of this one, Andy?
I think it's pretty cute. What does the back look like?
Really
Ooh.
cute. He has an ornament on him. All right, see you guys tomorrow. I did a bad job vlogging today, so tomorrow I will do a little segment in the morning to add into the end of this vlog, so stay tuned. We watched Sinners tonight, which is probably my favorite movie of the year. It was a rewatch, and it's just so good. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, I'm adding this on to Vlogmas Day 23, because I didn't vlog much at all, so I just thought I'd do a little haul of the things that I got for Christmas from Connor's family, his sisters, the whole fam, Bobby, his grandma. So I'll show you a few things that I got. These are just a few things that I thought were fun to show. There are a couple like ceramic-y gifts that are already packed away, and I just didn't want to unwrap them because hopefully they'll make it home safely. Let's get started. I'm going to start out with this. It's an adorable little ornament. I just had to show you guys because why is this the cutest thing I've ever seen? I love a little plushy ornament on the tree. I think it's very fun and perfect for Christmas because toys. But yeah, I love him, so that's adorable. And then this is another fun gift, a little watercolor set with this Learn to Paint little guideline. I think this is gonna be really fun, and I love having things like this to do during the winter when it's like not fun to go outside. So that's a fun one. And then some other little stationery goodies. This is a little note sheet and card set. I think that's what you would call it. And it's coffee themed. So I think that's super cute. And I like the size of these envelopes. I've seen smaller ones of these and I've actually purchased minier ones. And I'm excited that I feel like I can actually send this through the mail. I feel like smaller envelopes tend to get lost. Then we got some stickers. Emily and Andrea really know what I love. So we got some cute stickers. As you can see, there's a little bit of a coffee theme, and then of course, you know, a mail theme. Love sending mail. And then these are cute for the holidays. They're a little glossy as well, so I'm really excited to put these on probably some thank you cards for the holidays, journal spreads, stuff like that. Okay. Also, this is really fun. I've really always wanted to stamp. I don't know, that's kind of random. I just haven't really gotten into stamps yet with stationery. But this one, I hope you can see it. I'm filming on the front camera so I can see what I'm doing. But this is a little cake. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been talking a lot. This is cool too. A little clip. You guys know I love a little clip moment. And this one's so cute. This is great for opening your journal, you know, like clipping a page in your journal. I usually use it to make sure it stays flat. So this is a really cute one. More stationery. Washi tape. You guys know I love washi tape. And I don't have any coffee ones. And I love when washi tape has like a gold foiling on it. And this one does. So I'm obsessed with this. Definitely one of my faves. Andrea brought back some matcha. She was in Japan recently, so I'm really excited. This is something that I've actually been wanting to get, which is a hair perfume. It came with 3 little sample sizes: warm sugar, amber shores, and rustic vanilla. So I'm very excited about this. I'm definitely the most excited for Amber Shores because I love amber scents, but also Warm Sugar says it smells like cotton candy, and I do love sweet scents. So I'm very excited to try these. I feel like my mind was read because I've been wanting a hair perfume, so that's perfect. And then I'll show this for the last thing, which is another like scented item. I haven't tried a lot of different scents from Lush, so I'm really excited about this. It's a what is this? Body lotion, shower gel, and body spray set in the scent Sticky Dates, which smells amazing. I feel like everything at Lush smells so good. And I love that there's a body spray. I feel like I've never tried a body spray from Lush, so that'll be very fun to try. So that's everything that I wanted to show you guys. It was so much fun opening gifts and seeing everyone's reactions to what we got them. I feel like it was very successful. So yeah, we had a lot of fun with Connor's family, and I think in the next vlog you'll see us going to my family next. So see you then, and thanks for watching this episode of Vlogmas.